I have just come across the most amazing matte cream lipstick by Queen Musia. Queen Musia is the name of this, and the color shade that is perfect for me is called Montreux. But y'all are going to love this cream lipstick, but you're going to love the packaging even better. It is the cutest. Is that not the cutest packaging you have ever seen in your life? Just a cute little swirl, and it is the most beautiful color as well. So I'm gonna, it is a matte cream, and this is the color Montreux. So smooth. It feels so moisturized. And I will tell you, I've worn this several times before. This is not my first time to actually put this on. And my lips stayed nice and moist for a very long time. I'm not going to say all day, but probably a good 3 to 4 hours because I didn't eat anything. This is a great color. It has great staying power. I absolutely am in love with the packaging. So it is Queen Musia. Montreux is the name of this color. I absolutely love it. Cutest packaging ever. Cutest packaging ever. Put it in your cart.